Good morning, everyone. Today I am taking a day trip to Mabijung Mural Village in Dalgona, Daegu, South Korea with my friend and partner for my tourism resources class, Honey. The weather here in Daegu, South Korea, seriously could not be better for a day trip. So if you're like me and you hadn't heard of this place before, you might be wondering, like, what kind of place is this? Is this Mabijung Village? Well, it's actually an old farming town that was in use from, about the 60s to the 80s. And it's been turned into this almost open art exhibit-like space with lots of murals. It's a really hot picture spot, for social media, Instagram. And if we're lucky, it sounds like there might also be some activities to do, maybe even some workshops. But it's so beautiful that it's been featured on the really famous TV show Running Man here in South Korea. So I'm getting pretty excited to check this place out for myself. Oh! So we're in the back of the taxi now, and I am blown away. The drive to this place is beautiful. I'm hungry.
Me too.
We have just arrived and we are heading up this way. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. But I think we will eat first and then explore. Yeah. Oh my gosh. 나도 영어로 뭔지 잘 몰라요. So it says right down here that you can take your shoes off and climb up. But if you wanted, you could climb up there and take pictures. Yay! As you can see, it would appear that people still live here. So if you are planning on visiting, be respectful because I think people still live here. Yeah. Our food is beginning to arrive. So here we have some tofu and konjac jelly. This is apparently something that you have to eat if you're coming to Mabijung. Okay, so we are going to try the konjac jelly together for the first time. One, two, three. So we just finished our lunch of the konjac jelly and the tofu, but we also ordered some clove, like pancakes or chon in Korean, and it was really good. It came out to be about 18,000 won, or like $14 US. So we actually had like a pretty hearty, healthy, delicious lunch for the two of us for $14, which is really good. And now we're trying to figure out where this bamboo tunnel is. That could be pretty fun. And here we are at the bamboo tunnel. Oh my gosh, look at this. So our trip through the bamboo tunnel was not long, but it was very beautiful and is a great spot for pictures. So here you can grab one of these pieces of paper and write a wish, and then once you're done, you want to tie it to this cute little fixture right here. So of course, we just wrote out our wishes, and right as we were finishing up writing our wishes, we spotted this sign indicating, like I said earlier, that this was a spot that Running Man filmed at. So there are spots where you can actually buy some of the things that they farm and make here. some of it is tofu. This sign says that the tofu or the tubu is currently all sold out, unfortunately.
세우면 뜨거우니까 불이 안 올라가죠. 옆으로 눕혀서.
We were just talking about how we think this might be our favorite spot in all of Mabijung. The view is beautiful. So we have now explored everything there is to see here at Mabijung Mural Village. It's definitely worth coming to visit. If you are an English speaker and you don't know any Korean, I'd make sure that you do your research before coming, have an idea of what to do, because there are no signs in English. And other than that, I think you would have a really good time.
이 잉글리로 사인이 많이မရှိတဲ့အတွက်코리아စကားသိနာမလဲလူတွေကြတော့နည်းနည်းခက်ခဲနိုင်တယ်ပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့အရင်ဆုံးဒီဘာမှဖြစ်ရှာထားပြီးတော့မှလာဖို့ကိုrecommend လုပ်ချင်ပါတယ်အခုဘယ်လိုဖြစ်ဖြစ်ပြောဖို့ကောင်းလို့တစ်ခါတော့ပေးဖို့ညွှန်လိုက်ပါတယ်လာကြည့်ဖို့ညွှန်လိုက်ပါတယ်
What she said.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.